In this video, we are going to talk about how to rank videos on YouTube using SEO. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. You can advertise your company on YouTube in a clear and uncomplicated manner by combining your SEO approach with your video marketing strategy. This will not only increase the amount of time people spend watching your videos, but it will also attract the attention of your clients, which will benefit you in the long run with things like YouTube retargeting. To increase traffic and video views on your YouTube channel, follow these 8 methods to boost your SEO. Number 1. Select your keywords with care. Every month, search engine results pages, SERPs, become more competitive. Everyone is vying for the top positions, whether it's through new competitors, new products, or new services. As a result, it is critical to identify strategies to differentiate yourself and your offering. Do your keyword research, and unless you are able to compete with extremely competitive phrases, choose keywords that will bring you a lot of traffic but are less competitive. You can utilize the same keyword research tools that you would use for PPC or SEO, such as Google Keyword Planner, the free keyword tool from WordStream. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool that allows you to research keywords. Moz or SEMrush are 2 popular search engine optimization tools. Google Search, search suggestions, individuals who have asked the same question, related searches, and more. Number 2. Include keywords in the title of your video. The first step is to figure out what your target audience is looking for online. We know that the most prevalent categories of search intent are informational, commercial, navigational, and transactional in nature, with informational being the most popular. As a result, matching the content of your video with the intent of your consumer will be extremely vital in order for your video to appear in search results. Second, make certain that you understand why you want to create a YouTube video as well as who your major target audience is before you begin. For example, if you want to present a product review, include the product name in the title and description of the video you create. Although it appears to be a simple process, there are a large number of YouTube channels that do not follow this procedure, resulting in their videos being near the bottom of Google and YouTube search results. Number 3. Include the keyword in the video file you're submitting. Although it is quite simple, YouTube may utilize this as one of the ranking variables when determining whether or not to show your video in search results. It is considerably more likely that your video will be ranked if the file name contains the goal keyword. It is also much more likely that your video will get greater search volume if the file name contains the target keyword. When you are uploading a new video, you will be able to see the file name. The video's relevance is checked by YouTube, so be sure your file name is current before uploading it. Number 4. Make your YouTube video description more effective. Making and ensuring you have a strong, optimized video description is one of the most critical ranking elements for YouTube SEO. YouTube will reevaluate your video whenever you make any changes or updates to any YouTube video aspect, which includes video descriptions, subtitles and closed captions, and video thumbnails. This can be beneficial or detrimental. So it's critical that you get it properly the first time. It is recommended by YouTube that you include your most relevant keywords in the first couple phrases of your description, and that your description should not be more than 200 words in length. Make your description relevant, to put it in the simplest terms. If it isn't of assistance to the user, it should be removed. As you can see in the screenshot below, the term that I entered into Google is highlighted in bold in the descriptions of the videos that have appeared. This is YouTube's way of informing me that the videos I'm seeing are relevant based on their descriptions. YouTube offers several excellent materials available on the YouTube Creator Studio, which is a resource that is constantly being updated with the most up-to-date knowledge available. You'll find a helpful checklist that walks you through the steps to creating a good video description. Include an overview of your film that is written in regular language, rather than a list of keywords. Make sure that the first few words of your description contain the most important keywords. Choose 1 to 2 keywords that best define your video and make sure to include them prominently in both the description and the title of your video. Make use of keyword research tools such as Google Trends and the Google Ads Keyword Planner to uncover popular keywords and their synonyms for your advertising campaigns. Including these terms in your content can assist you in increasing search traffic. Remove any irrelevant terms from your description because they detract from the viewing experience and may be considered a violation of Google's regulations. Number 5. Make use of video hashtags to increase the number of people who see your video on YouTube. Hashtags, hash, are increasingly being used on social media to assist users in finding information that answers their requests across a variety of platforms. It is possible to use related hashtags, hash, in video descriptions in order to assist viewers in finding your video when they search for a specific hashtag. Tags, in particular, aid in the advancement of search since they make crucial trends more obvious. Once you've included a hashtag in the video description, it will be shown above the video's title and will then be hyperlinked to the hashtag's source. It's also vital to keep track of where you've included video hashtags in this section. If you include a hashtag in the video title, any hashtags from the description will not be displayed around the video title unless you remove the hashtag. Number 6. Choose one of the video categories. If users want to search for a specific video with advanced choices, they can pick the search to show videos from specific categories if they are searching for a specific movie with advanced options. When submitting your video, it is critical that you contextualize your video with categories in order to increase the likelihood of your video being discovered by a viewer. Given the range of category options available on YouTube, you should be able to discover one that matches the content of your YouTube videos without difficulty. When you upload your video, you will be able to choose from a variety of category possibilities. Number 7. Make your thumbnail image more unique. Thumbnails can either help or hinder the success of your YouTube videos. When consumers check out the search results on YouTube, they are the first thing that catches their eye since they are visually appealing. A great thumbnail can result in increased watch time, which can have a significant impact on a video's YouTube ranking. Create something that catches people's attention and makes them stand out from the crowd in order to ensure that your video is seen. For example, these thumbnails are simply screenshots from the movie itself and are therefore unlikely to be the most effective at grabbing the user's attention in the first place. Number 8. Include subtitles and closed captions in your video. The third step for achieving success on YouTube search is to make use of subtitles and closed captions. While video subtitles are intended to communicate video dialogue to viewers who are unable to understand the video language, closed captions are intended to communicate video dialogue to viewers who are unable to hear the audio. The text of what is stated in the video is contained within both subtitles and closed caption files, much like a transcript. There will also be timing codes in the file that indicate when each item of text should be displayed within the video, so that it can be timed to coincide with voice or another visual element. Here's a list of the file formats that YouTube accepts. Having a transcript for your video also has the advantage of being picked up by broad search engines, just like a blog post would be picked up by search engines. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.